When you buy a property overseas, it will sometimes come with an important bonus. It can open the door to foreign residency. This overseas residency will also provide you a gateway into the host country's banking system and financial services sector, along with a potential path to citizenship. Obtaining residency can be a hassle, requiring you to provide extensive financial records and check stubs to show you qualify. But when you qualify as a property owner, you'll often shortcut a lot of red tape. Here are 5 of our favorite places where you can obtain residency by buying a property. Number 1. Colombia. Colombia offers the property buyer 2 paths to residency. By simply buying a property valued at more than 350 times the Colombian minimum wage, you will qualify for a temporary residency visa, called an M10 visa. These visas can be valid for up to 3 years. But if you spend 650 times the Colombian minimum wage, you can obtain permanent residency right off the bat, as a resident investor. Permanent residency today is actually renewed every 5 years. Number 2. Ecuador. Ecuador offers one of the easiest residencies for the property buyer, at a minimum investment of just $40,000. This will qualify you for the investment visa. Applicants must also prove $400 monthly income from any source. The municipal value on your property title must reflect the minimum investment level of $40,000 or more. Ecuador uses the US dollar as its official currency, so these values do not fluctuate with any exchange rate. Your $40,000 investment gets you permanent residency in Ecuador. And thanks to recent adjustments to the law, after gaining permanent residency through an investor visa, you can come and go as you like to Ecuador. There is no limit to the time you can be outside the country. Number 3. Panama. The Friendly Nations program was implemented by presidential decree in 2012. The idea was to make Panama more accessible for citizens of the eventual 50 nations on the eligibility list. On August 2021, changes were made to the Friendly Nations visa. The biggest change for the new Friendly Nations visa is that it will require a real estate investment in Panama property of at least $200,000, either in cash or through a mortgage from a local bank. As this visa requires that you have an economic link to Panama, your real estate purchase can do that for you. Like Ecuador, Panama also uses the US dollar as its official currency, so you'll be shielded from currency exchange rate fluctuations. Number 4. Greece. Greece is one of the most accessible countries in Europe when it comes to residency. Greece offers the Greek Golden Visa. It allows non-EU citizens to make a significant contribution to the Greek economy to qualify for a residence permit. There are a few different forms this financial contribution can take. Most expat retirees go for the property purchase route. For a minimum purchase price of €250,000, you acquire both a property and permanent residency. The permit lasts 5 years, and is renewable so long as you hold on to your property. You can include family members in it, including your spouse, and children up to 21 years old. A Greek residence permit gets you full access to the Schengen zone. And it gets better. After 7 years of continuous residency, you can apply for Greek citizenship. The only stipulations are that you provide a medical certificate, police background check, and proof of health insurance. Number 5. Malta. With English as the official language, Malta offers one of the easiest transitions abroad. Launched in 2021, the Malta Permanent Residency Program is a scheme to help non-EU investors get a European residence permit quickly and efficiently. The minimum investment in the southern Maltese islands is €300,000. In the more affluent northern sectors of Malta, the minimum is €350,000. Even when you own a property, residency can be hard to obtain. These 5 countries are not only great places to live overseas, but they also make it easy for the property buyer to stay on indefinitely. Would you like to invest in any of these countries? Let us know in the comments.